All right, so here we are. It is a Friday, the last week of March. Now we were supposed to, anyway, we had a little freak snowstorm earlier this week, and I thought it would all be gone because it was supposed to rain yesterday, but it didn't rain, so it's not quite all gone, but most of our snow is gone. The thing that I am doing this video for is because I want to show you we have begun taking down the barn. You can see behind me, with that gorgeous sun gleaming over the top, that we've actually done quite a bit of work in taking down the barn. It's crazy work. We started doing some of it a few weeks ago, burning what isn't useful and saving what is, partly because I have had this great streak of inspiration that's going to allow me to finish some things before I thought I would ever be able to do it, because I'm going to use the barn. I'm going to take the barn and build my kitchen pantry cabinets, my bookcases in my library, and the frame for my shower upstairs. So all those things I thought, to get the wood and that I just wouldn't be able to do that, anytime soon. But I've got it all. I've got it all, and it's going to happen. So I'm very excited about that. I was just going to show a few clips, the videos of some of the work that we've been doing, climbing around on this rubble, dangerous work, of taking down the rooftops that have collapsed on the barn. And a little bit sad that all day yesterday when we were doing this work, I was lugging huge wheelbarrows full of wood and dumping it into the bulkhead. Huge, piled up. Yeah, it was exciting work. And then when I finally get a chance to have somebody film it, it's like the last of the day's work, and it's not even up to the top of the mountain. So just know that as I was working and getting those wheelbarrows done, of those wheelbarrows full of wood, and that I was really stacking it in. I'm a lot tougher than the video would show. So I'll show a little bit of the barn here. Oops. Show a little closer of the barn. Now before, we took a lot of that rooftop off on this side, and as we've been taking it down, it's been quite exciting actually. One thing that the snow has gone away and it's been awful nice. It's so exciting. I love working outside. I'll neglect the house now that it's coming springtime because I just love working outside. But we found 2 more bathtubs. The snow had covered all this, and so all winter I'd kind of forgotten about how much there still is left to do in the cleanup, just the very cleanup of this space. But we still got a lot of junk. Yeah. But anyway, one thing that I've discovered as we were tearing down, we got the roof, most of the roof off that piece there, is that the foundation is still good. It has a granite foundation like the house, and the foundation to this area is still good. So I think I'm going to build my greenhouse on top of it, and that will be exciting. Also, the other level there, the floor is still good. And then you have the cellar underneath it, which is just a dirt floor, but that's all good. I think we can just build, once we get down what's bad, what fell, we can use it, build on again. So it was very exciting as we've been working out here, taking some of this down. Actually, the videos I have are from the other side though, but you'll see from the video some of the work that we've been up to. Yes, it will be exciting to have it finished, but it's going to be a while. But anyway, you can see, I never know what to say in these videos. Oh, terrible at this. Enjoy anyway. Well, the other one's full.
Come back, we can cut this. You're the one who lost the stick.
Yikes. You gotta come down the way you came up, Clark.
I'm trying to remember how I came up.
Right down
I
here.
remember with all the support beams gone that I used to climb up.
No, you didn't use those to climb up. You climbed down here and onto that beam. Here we go. Oh, he's gonna lose it. Did Brutus drop his ball down in the pit? Oh, there it is. I see the ball. Did you get it, Brutus? Whoa.
Look at that.
The whole shift, the whole thing shifted.
There we go.
Yeah. Smash. There we go. We got it.
Yay!
It's amusing scene of our bulkhead entrance with all of our beams sticking out. We'll eventually drag those down inside the basement and cut them up for firewood. But we got quite a bit. Good work, Clark. Good work. Do a short little video and add to this one. I don't know how much was seen on our old video. I'll have to go back and look at it because all of my videos were destroyed when my computer was gone. But I did make a video of the barn before, but I don't know if we came out back to show this. But we have actually accomplished quite a bit in taking this area down. And I was really nervous when we first started out here because I just wasn't sure how much we were going to fall through once the... But it's really not that much down here. It's mostly got two rock foundation walls. You can see this one here. And then on this side, there's one here. But what's underneath those rock walls is not very deep. So as we started taking them down this piece, it wasn't very deep underneath it, so we were good. But we've discovered all kinds of fun things. Look, I got me a motorboat in there. There's an air filter blower thing. Anyway, and we can see that although the roof caved in, that the foundation didn't. Though it might, it's kind of surprising because look, it's got slate as foundation stones. Some there too. Those ones are even cracking, but it's still holding. My hope is that once we get the fallen roof part off up here, all this garbage, that I can salvage some of the floor and walls and kind of build on top. We'll have to fix those slate stones. That's not going to be good. Of course, I don't know. They've been there for 100 years. 126 years now. But here, whoa. Here too, there's my foundation there. I found one of Bruce's balls. I'm hoping to build my greenhouse right on top of this. We've got all kinds of things back here. Some old bikes, seed spreader. I don't know how much of this stuff is useful, but we will be taking them out as we take it down and seeing what all we've got in there. Like what's in behind the boat. I don't know. But it might be something interesting. Yes, this taking down the barn is going to be quite the lengthy project. But we have been working on it, and we've actually made progress. So it will get done.